Hello.
Hello students, how are you all?
You're fine, we are sir. Fine.
Okay, so now we are starting our lecture. So as you know that our lesson was symmetry. We were learning about symmetry. So for that reason I am opening the PPT and today we are going to learn about geometrical shapes. But before that we will revise the previous topics as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay, as we have learned that the what is symmetry, any shape, if we cut that shape, both halves will be the same after cutting that shape. That is known as symmetry. There are two type of the shapes as already we have learned. One is the symmetrical, other is the asymmetrical. One after cutting, both pieces will be the same, but the shape which will not be same, the other half will not be same. That is known as asymmetrical. And in previously we have learned about the history of symmetry from olden times. It is present. Many people make the symmetric shapes and symmetry in use. There are many uses of the symmetry in monuments, in buildings, in tiles, in clothes. There are so many shapes who has symmetric pattern. Okay, there is so much importance of the symmetry. It is used in monuments, clothes, designs, architects. Architecture engineers uses this concept to make buildings and other amazing structures. And then we have studied the lines of symmetry. What is a line of symmetry? A line of symmetry is a line that cuts the shape into two equal halves. So there are three types of the line of symmetry. One is the vertical line of symmetry, other is the horizontal line of symmetry, and third is diagonal line of symmetry. For example, there is a third shape that is a leaf. If I cut this shape vertical, then this leaf will not be symmetric. After cutting down, this will not be symmetric. So there is a diagonal type of the symmetry. It means that when we cut this leaf diagonally, here you can see the red line. If we cut this leaf like this, so it will be diagonally symmetric. So there is a diagonal line of symmetry. After this, I have given you assignment. So these were the assignment pages. Have you done assignment?
No,
Have you
sir.
completed your assignment?
No, sir.
What, beta?
Sir, has the course come?
Okay, so still you have due date. You can submit it. I think its due is tomorrow.
Sir, our course come.
Beta, no.
Sir, no. So how we can do this?
Beta, as I have suggested that symmetry you will do the problem by completing this figure. For suppose there is a figure you can see in front of your slides. This is a half symmetric shape is given.
Sir,
Same half you have to make what?
this is a book work. Sir, we don't have course and this is a book work. So how we can do?
Beta, I said print out the pages. Print out the pages, then you have to complete these pages. You have to print out
Sir,
these
from
pages.
where we will print out? Sir, from where we will print out?
Okay, leave this. I will text you. Then you will do this. Now we are going to our today's lecture. That is week 2, lesson 2, geometrical shapes. Can you see these geometrical shapes in front of your slides?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, tell me one by one what are the names of these shapes. The green color shape you are looking in front. What is the name of the
Circle.
shape? Okay, it's a circle.
Circle.
Okay, this one, center one. What is
Oval.
the name of the shape?
Oval.
Oval. Okay, what is
Oval.
the name of this shape? Third one.
Triangle. Triangle.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Triangle.
Now There are other shapes on the other slide. These are the quadrilateral shapes. Why do we say these shapes are quadrilateral shapes? Because these shapes have four sided. If you can see all these shapes, so all these shapes have four sided. That's why we are saying these are the quadrilateral shapes. Now tell me one by one the name of these shapes. This one first, red colored shape.
Square,
Good. And the second one,
rectangle,
good, rectangle.
rectangle.
And this one,
शायद ये बेरीज खा रहा है मच्छी तो खा रहा है समझूंगा पहला
this one, beta. What is the purple color shape? What is the name of the shape? This is rhombus. This is called rhombus. Beta, listen me carefully. The third shape is called rhombus. Okay, what about this shape? The fourth one.
बीबी तो मच्छी
Sky blue color shape, beta. What is the name of the shape? This is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Okay, what about this shape? Orange one.
Sir, I can't hear your voice.
Okay, beta. What is the name of this shape? Orange one. What is the name of this shape? Orange one. This is trapezium. Okay, last one shape is called. Okay, this is a kite shape. This is kite shape. So once again, I am repeating from the left side. This is a square. The second is called rectangle. The third is called rhombus. The fourth is called parallelogram. The fifth is called trapezium. And the last one or the sixth is called kite. So these are quadrilateral shapes. We say these are the quadrilateral because all these figures have four sides.
Sir, what we can say third one?
Which one?
Third one.
Third, rhombus. RHOMBUS, rhombus. This is called rhombus. Okay. Now it's clear. Okay, now the topic is polygon. Polygon. The word polygon is from the Greek word poly means many and gon, gon means angle. A polygon is a flat 2D shape with a straight sides that is fully closed. Like square, in square we use straight lines and this figure is a closed. So we can say that the square is a polygon. Square is a polygon and rectangle is also called polygon. Why? Because in square and rectangle there are straight lines and both these figures are closed. That's why we can say both of these are figure are called polygon. And here all figures are polygon. Are all these figures are called polygon?
Sir,
All these figures are
polygon.
yeah. We can say all these figures polygon because in all these figures are made up of the straight lines and all these figures are closed as well, so we can say all these figures are polygon. Okay, circle and oval are polygon. This is my question.
Yes.
No beta, circle. In circle there is no any straight line, there is a straight line. Straight line means straight flat line. In circle and oval there is no any flat line, so circle and oval are not polygons. Only those figures which have a straight line, like here is the rectangle. Rectangle have three sides and in all three sides have straight lines and the figure is closed, so that's why we can say the triangle is called polygon. And all other quadrilaterals, here you can see all these figures are polygons. Understand?
Also, we can say square.
And polygons are 2D shapes. Polygons are 2D shapes. Okay. The word polygon means many angles. A two-dimensional object. It is A 2D shape means it is not closed. Like a, have you seen the cube or cuboid? These are closed shapes. Like a ball is a in ball there is a inside space, but these are 2D shapes, and 2D shape does not have any space in them. So all these polygons are two-dimensional objects, and these are closed figures, and we can make polygon by ourselves as well, and we can make polygon with the help of three or more than three straight lines. Okay,
Sir, what
remember
are
that
polygons?
the sides do not cross each other in polygons.
Sir, what are
Polygon,
polygons?
beta, polygon are the figures that can be made by joining the straight lines, but that polygon should be closed. By using the straight line we can make polygons, and polygon are closed figure. Like here I have told you in this figure the name of all these shapes. All these shapes are polygon. Why? Because we have used a straight line to make these shapes. Also these shapes are closed, so that's why we are saying these shapes are called polygons. Okay, here you can see these shapes are made up of the lines, so these are polygons. Triangle is a polygon, square is a polygon, this is a irregular shape, but this is also a polygon. The third one is a kite, this is also a polygon. Arrow shape is also a polygon, because we have used straight line here and all these figures are closed. That's why we are saying these shapes are polygon. Okay, here are also some shapes which are not polygons, like this one. Two lines are crossing each other. Two lines are crossing each other, so that's why we will say this is not a polygon. Okay, here is a circle type shape is this. Here is a curve, here is not a straight line, so this is also not a polygon. Okay, here is a figure with two squares and the center line is between them. This is also not a polygon. Why? Because this figure is not a closed open figure is this, so that's why we are saying this is not a polygon. Okay, this is also a polygon. This is a this is also a polygon, and here you can see there are five sides. One, two, three, four, five. Five lines are there. So, or we can say there are five sides as well. In this figure, the polygon is in front of your slides. We can say there are five lines or there are five sides. How many sides are there? There are five sides. Okay, two lines. See here. Two lines are meeting at a point. This point is known as a vertex. Where the two lines will meet, that point we will say this is vertex. This is vertex. So this is a vertex. This is a vertex. This is a vertex. This is a vertex. So there are five lines and five vertex. Vertex is a point where two sides meet. See here, this is a one side, this is other side. They are meeting at this point. So this point will be called as vertex point. Understand? Understand about the polygon, side and vertex?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
there is a concept of interior angle and exterior angle. As you already learned in 3 class, what is angle? You know what is angle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there are interior angle, good, and exterior angle. So see, this is a polygon. The angle which is inside, the angle which is inside is called interior angle. The angle which is
Sir, what is
outside of
our
the
assignment?
what beta?
Sir,
What
what
beta?
is our assignment?
Okay, I am telling you in the last. Don't worry. But first we are learning. In the last, I will tell you about the assignment. See, this is the interior angle and this is the exterior angle. Why? This is inside, so that's why we are saying this is the inside angle or interior angle. The above angle, the red one which you are looking at in your front of your slides, so that is exterior angle, that is outside angle. So outside angle are known as exterior angles, and the angle which are inside, so that are called interior angles. If you look at carefully in this figure of the polygon, you may see there are 5 sides, or there are 5 vertex, so there will be 5 angles, 5 interior angles. Okay, as now we have learned about the polygon, now there is a polyhedron. Polyhedron is different from the polygon. Okay, polygon was a two-dimensional. Now polyhedron is a three-dimensional figure. Like our room is a three-dimensional. Like our room is three-dimensional. Your page of the copy, your copy page, your notebook page is a, or book page is 2D, because there is only length and width. But your room is 3D. Your classroom is also 3D shape. So polyhedron are 3D shapes. Whereas polygons are 2D shapes, polyhedron are 3D shapes. In polyhedron, there are actually polyhedron shape we can make with the help of polygon shapes. Like if we attach 6 circle with each other, it will become a cube, and it will become a polyhedron, and it will become a 3D shape. So polyhedron is a three-dimensional shape with flat polygonal faces. There will be faces, there will be edges, and there will be vertices or corners. Like polygons have vertex, so polyhedron also have vertex or sides. Also, polyhedron has faces. So let us see here. This is a polyhedron shape, and here two lines are meeting at a point. Two lines are meeting at a point, and this is known as vertex. As already we have learned, this is known as vertex, or the sides are also called as edges. And this space between the side is called faces. So this polyhedron has how many faces? One face, two face, three face, four face, five face, six faces. And vertex, the two lines where we'll meet, is called the vertex point. The side is called the side. This part of the line is called side, or we can say this is also known as edge. EDGE. The side is also known as edge. This is a polyhedron, and this is a 3D shape. Like our room or classroom is a 3D shape. Like our school is a 3D shape. Okay, so here is difference between the polygon and polyhedron. Polygon are closed shapes made of the line segment. When we will join lines together, it will become polygon. And when we will attach, or when we will join the polygon, it will become polyhedron. Polygon. Beta, listen carefully. Polygon examples are square, triangle, and rectangle. There is a polyhedron that is made up of the polygon, has edges, faces, and vertices. With the help of polygon, we can make polyhedron. Like in our room, how many walls are there? How many walls are there? Beta, in your room, how many walls are there in your room?
4. That lot of.
There are 4 walls. Okay, each wall is a rectangle or a square. Am I right?
4 walls.
Each wall of our room is a square or rectangle, or we can say each wall is a polygon. Beta, we can say each wall. Yeah, good beta. Each Wall of our room is a polygon also. We can say square is also a polygon. Okay, so when you will attach one wall with other wall, you will make for a room, you will make four walls. When we will all join four square, then it will become a what? Then will become a room, or that room is known as polyhedron. That is known as polyhedron. Our room will become, when we will attach or join four walls with each other, it will become polyhedron. What will become? It will become polyhedron.
Polyhedron.
Polyhedron is made up of the
Polyhedron.
polygons.
Polyhedron.
Good beta. Polyhedron is made up of the polygons
Polyhedron.
because we have learned today that square is also a polygon, and when we will attach all these polygons like four polygon we will attach, then it will become a one figure, it will become a cube or cuboid, that will become a room. So this is known as a polyhedron, and it will have edges, sides. Edges mean sides. It will have a vertex points, like when two sides meet each other there will be vertex point or there will be faces also, as we have seen in this image. When two lines
Yes.
meet together at a point, this is known as a vertex point. The side is also known as edge, and there will be faces. One face, two face, three face, upside face, downside face, and four walls mean four faces. So there will be total six faces. Upside, downside, and there will be four walls. So there will be six faces total. Okay, so there is are polygons 2D shapes? Yes, polygons are 2D shapes, whereas a polyhedron are 3D shapes. Okay, as we already learned that circle is not a polygon because there is not a line. Circle is not a polygon because we say that we can make polygon with the help of only lines. Okay, so polyhedron has also its types. There are the platonic solids are the type of polyhedron. Pyramid also type of the polyhedron. Prism also type of the polyhedron. Because these are 3D shapes. Whereas a circle, square, sorry, not a circle, but only square and rectangle. Because in circle there is a not a line, so that's why we will not say circle is a polygon. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, these are polygon. Where is the pyramids, prism, pyramids, prism, cube, cuboid, cone?
Shape. Sir, cone and cuboid has lot of shapes.
Beta, see there, polyhedron is made up of the polygons. Means we will join the polygon, so it will become a polyhedron. So see there the type of the polyhedron, platonic solids, pyramids, and prism. These are the type of polyhedron. In upcoming class, in the last class of this week, we will learn about the platonic solids.
What is a platonic solids?
But platonic solids are polyhedrons. These are polyhedrons types. 3D shapes. 3D shapes are these, and you know that we can make polyhedron with the help of polygons. Means there will not be curve, like there will not be circle like this or like oval shape will be there in polyhedron, because these are made up of the polygons, and polygons have only lines. Now you understand? Okay, do you know that the platonic solids have only 5 shapes? This we will study in the upcoming class. And now our today's assignment is, okay, you have to answer the following questions. Yeah beta.
Ali,
Beta, so you have assignment today's. So today's assignment is You have to answer the following questions. Number 1 question, what is polygon? Number 2 question, what is polyhedron? Number 3 question, what is difference between polygon and polyhedron? As we have learned, polygon is a 2D shape and polyhedron is 3D shape. Polygons, we can make polyhedron with the help of polygons, and polygon we can make with the help of lines. And question number 4, what is symmetry? Now you understand what is symmetry. What is the line of symmetry, and list the types of line of symmetry. In list you have to just write the
Yes.
names of the lines of symmetry. Okay, and number 6 question is
Symmetry.
draw 5 shapes of polygon. You have to make 5 shapes of polygon in your copy, and also you have to make 5 shapes of polyhedron. And downside you have to write the name or write their names also. Like square is a polygon, you will make a square on your copy and you will write this is a square. Then you will make rectangle.
Okay,
Rectangle is
sir.
also a,
Copy and I don't have code.
Yes, sir.
okay, you can do this on rough.
I also don't have course and
Okay,
course
beta, you
not
can do
come.
this on rough copy, rough notebook, and
Okay,
then you can
sir.
send the pictures. Like rectangle also a
Okay.
polygon, you will make a rectangle
Okay,
on notebook and you will write the name. Then you have to write the name of the polyhedron as well.
course come. Sir, our course come.
Beta, you have to contact to the administration office. See here, there are shapes.
Go to. So this
See
is
this.
our homework.
But I don't have
Yeah,
copy.
this is your homework.
Course come or
So
not?
see here, there are shapes. The name
Sir,
are written
course
here.
come
There is
or
a
not?
cube. Beta, I don't know. You have to contact to administration office. See, there are shapes.
Okay.
Also, you have to
Okay, sir.
write the number of the faces, number of the edges, and number of the vertices. As I already told you, what are vertices, what are edges, and what are faces. You have to just write the numbers here. Like pyramid is here. So how many number of the faces pyramid has? How many number of the edges pyramid has? And how many vertices pyramid has? This is your research work, and you have to do on research on this topic.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, with this, our lecture is completed, and best of luck. And inshallah, we will meet on Friday.
Allah Hafiz, sir. Bye.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
What
Bye,
are
sir.
Bye,
Bye, everyone. Tata.
Allah Hafiz, beta.
Bye, sir.
सबने उठी ऑन किए
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.